These are my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts. Afraid to write this shit for a second time, cause there's a whole lot of shit going on in my mind. Nowadays I feel like I'm so close. Last shit flopped, that went pop, okay I know. Had to go and get that on my chest, it's okay, it's in the past now. I made mistakes but I'm cool with saying them out loud. I'm tired of fronting like I'm perfect when I know I'm not. People hate me and that make me insecure a lot. Thinking back, making shit on my Mac. Never thought I'd be able to feed myself off rap. Maybe that was fate, maybe that was luck, but who give a fuck? Cause I'm not the same kid that may wish me luck. I want this shit, I need this shit. Can't leave this shit, I breathe this shit. I'm doing this cause I believe in this shit. That's the reason why I can't ever quit. These my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts. Remember being a freshman at W. Nobody ever thought my dream would really come true, but it did. Now I'm touring the country all year. You'll never feel a rush like when you hear that crowd cheer. My biggest flaw is that I know I'm flawed, and I can't really figure out why people applaud. I guess the man in the mirror ain't the one on the screen. I mean the person I portray isn't the one that I see. I'm tired of every girl I fuck telling me about every girl I fuck. Kinda made me think I'll never find love. Don't know if I lost a one, cause she heard that song I wrote and hated who I become. Now it's 11:11 and I'm feeling bad for writing those rhymes, but that's what I get for letting my heart speak and bleeding out all over these beats. These my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts. Haven't wrote a song in 2 months, my head's all fucked up. Going through depression, that can happen to anyone. Too afraid to speak, so I'm writing it down. Guess the fans are the therapist now. Got an email from my dad on Christmas. Don't even know how he got that shit to begin with. Maybe that's what happens when you get a little fame and shit. But how the fuck you gonna leave a kid and hit him up, no harm, no foul? Where were you and me and mama in that red brick house? Like you really think I need you now? Me and my sis don't speak. I think I just remind her of him. Try to talk, but I really don't know where to begin. Maybe I'm just selfish, maybe I'm just scared that I might die and nobody will really care. Maybe I'm fine, maybe I'm just lost. Yeah, these are my Adderall thoughts. These are my Adderall thoughts.